The return of two Kumasi Asante Kotoko players can be confirmed. Now, the first one, Abrantia or that screen is Imoro Ibrahim, former Krobi Asante Kotoko left back, Okobobo Kakra, Sudan. Now, say information say Imoro has agreed 2 years. Yes. And another returnee likely so also joining. And also, he has agreed in principle. Abdul Fattah Safiu, former Kumasi Asante Kotoko forward. According to Sweden, they are also likely. By 3rd to 5th of January, Busumia, Yeba be Remy, Obi Kumasi. No, I be reading the paperwork. Information I have no patrol a higher super 24 TV. Unsubscribe ya wadara no hit the rest subscribe at na wabado man so na ya build it together. Me patrol bit ma follow social media handle no so Facebook super 24 TV and Instagram you Kumasi blogman Kumasi Asante Kotoko ne RTU game no eba so Babayara Sports Stadium kwesiada no miensa ken na Kumasi Asante Kotoko game a etwato ewo Babayara first round the Basu Kotoko last game against Bofo away. It's way is going to be our last home game. Penifo Mesremo Sawu Kumasi Ayenko na Yenko he Sabono. Now back to the story. Imoro agreed 2 years. On Monday, likely say Obekwa koye the medicals ewo Konfanochi Teaching Hospital, according to a deep throat source. Obekwa koye ni medicals no koye medicals ni week na ebesimu no the Christmas week no Kumasi Asante Kotoko is likely to confirm the deal or to announce the deal. Say Zeno, the former left back no are returning to Kumasi Asante Kotoko after a stint with Al Hilal ewo do Sudan Omdurman. That's information and next Saturday we eba. And Kumasi Asante Kotoko, another potential returnee, make us a potential crap. Almost done deal. Safiu, or no the Encomodieno, Akoswache pan on phone concerning Kumasi Asante Kotoko, one of the top most experienced strikers. No, Mogestino Cramo deal no at the Adeno. Hit the snack into way no acquire more of the most likelihood dealer and also a follow after Imoro Diano. That's information eba and area I was say na me blogging way mount as matter of agency. So we are set to have 2 of our former players return to Kumasi Asante Kotoko in the course of this week and the following week. Announcement in the bar in the bro. And anything subjected to change, we are going to brief you. Pacho, your friend the blog man, maybe we do see a child be brave.